Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today we'll be unboxing the Logitech Pop Keys, a wireless mechanical keyboard with a brand new design and bold colors that will make your setup pop. In the box, you get the Pop Keys keyboard, a Logi Bolt receiver, if included, 4 extra emoji keys, and user documentation. Taking a quick tour around the keyboard, the power switch is on the right side, with an LED indicator on the top right corner. On the back, you have your battery compartment with pre-installed batteries and a slot to store your receiver. The Pop Keys keyboard comes in 5 different colors, which complement its distinctive vintage look. The mechanical keys provide a typewriter-like experience that is really fun to type on. But despite the vintage look, the Pop Keys sit on a compact frame that won't clutter your desk, while still being packed with the latest features you would expect in a modern keyboard. It comes with 4 pre-installed emoji keys, but you can swap them with the provided extra 4 emoji keys. You can assign a new emoji to your recently swapped keys using the Logi Options Plus app. If you want access to the entire emoji library, just press on the emoji menu key. You'll find several useful shortcuts, like snip screen, voice to text, microphone mute, and more baked right onto the function row, which makes it super helpful for users to access at a tap of a key. You can connect your Pop Keys keyboard via Bluetooth or with a Logi Bolt receiver, and it also supports Easy Switch, so you can now use your keyboard with up to 3 different devices and switch between them easily. With a battery life of up to 3 years, you have no reason to worry about losing charge while expressing yourself. The Logitech Pop Keys is a compact mechanical keyboard with a vintage feel, dashing colors, and loads of useful features that will for sure capture a lot of attention and add a splash of pop to your setup. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.